What is the FriendlyHalloween campaign, and why is it going viral in 2026? This unexpected social movement is shaking up Halloween traditions and capturing global attention like never before. The DFLOC campaign began in early 2026 as a grassroots street art and social media movement. It was created to criticize the overwhelming commercialization of Halloween, encouraging people to deflock from typical mass-produced costumes and decorations. Instead, it promotes handmade, sustainable, and community-focused celebrations. This fresh take quickly resonated with younger generations seeking meaningful and eco-friendly ways to celebrate. The name deflock plays on the idea of breaking away from the flock or crowd mentality. It urges individuals to avoid the usual cookie-cutter Halloween experiences. Instead, participants create unique costumes, decorations, and events that reflect personal creativity and environmental awareness. This has led to a surge in DIY Halloween culture and a dramatic change in how communities celebrate the holiday. The campaign went viral because it taps into several powerful trends: social activism, environmentalism, and the desire for authentic experiences. Viral videos and challenges showing radical DIY costumes and local deflock events flooded social platforms. Influencers and celebrities also jumped on board, spreading the message worldwide. The movement's mix of fun and meaningful impact struck a chord during a time when many want to make their celebrations count. By Halloween 2026, deflock has transformed the holiday in many cities. Traditional stores report drops in plastic costume sales, while craft shops and sustainable brands see surges. Neighborhoods host deflock block parties, featuring handmade decorations and zero-waste treats. Schools and community centers organize workshops to teach kids how to create their own costumes. This shift shows the power of a viral campaign to change cultural habits quickly and positively. The deflock Halloween campaign proves how a simple idea can spread fast and inspire a global rethink of a beloved holiday. It's a perfect example of creativity and values combining to create real change. If you want more fascinating answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and join us daily for your curiosity fix.